Unique, New York. Unique, New York. Are you almost done? I gotta get going. Let's go. Welcome back, lamp fans. My name is Manny, and I'm going to walk you through the installation of the lamps on a Panasonic PT-D6000 dual lamp system. You heard that right. This projector requires 2 lamps. Let's get to it. The Panasonic PT-D6000 projector requires a dual pack replacement projector lamp. The part number for this dual pack is the ET-LED60W. You can purchase a replacement Panasonic lamp from our website at myprojectorlamps.com. We have the lowest prices, guaranteed. Now let's get down to business. The first step is to turn off your projector. Make sure it's at room temperature before touching any of the components. While your projector is cooling down, gather the necessary tools for the install. The first thing you're going to need, ET-LED60 dual packs that you purchased on myprojectorlamps.com, a Phillips head screwdriver, your user manual, and a microfiber cloth. Step 2 is to access the lamp compartment. The cover of the lamps is located either in the bottom of the projector, or in this case, the rear of the projector. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cover if necessary. Let's get down to it. Get your handy dandy screwdriver. Locate the screw that has the lamp door closed. Once you unscrewed the screw holding the lamp door cover, you're going to want to lift, slide to the right, and lift. And get it out of the way. Set it aside. And we're ready for the next step. Step 3 is to remove the old lamps. Use the same screwdriver to remove the anchoring screws that are holding the lamp in place. First thing you want to do is locate the 3 anchoring screws per lamp. Once you locate those, start loosening them up. You're going to want to locate the handle that's on the lamp and carefully remove the old lamp from the projector. That's lamp 1. Let's set that aside. And let's do the same for the other one. Locate the handle on that lamp. Give it a nice pull. Once you remove that, set it aside. When you're removing the lamps, make sure to be gentle and avoid touching the surface of the lens and the surrounding glass to prevent damage or contamination. Pro tip, this is a dual lamp system. So if your projector is telling you that only 1 lamp currently needs replacing, we highly recommend that you purchase 2 lamps, as lamp 2 most likely needs to be replaced soon. The system runs both lamps simultaneously, so hours used by both lamps should be the same. Step number 4, and my favorite step, is installing the new lamps. Before inserting the new lamp, clean the inside of the lamp compartment with your microfiber cloth. Insert the new ET-LED60W modules into the projector. Make sure to align the plug of the lamp with the connector. Push hard enough until you hear a click noise. Step number 5 is to reconnect the power supply. You can reconnect the power supply and turn on the projector. Check for any warning messages on the screen or blinking LED indicators on the projector to ensure that the lamp is installed correctly. You're all set, and the future is lit. Reminder that this particular projector is not like the others. This particular lamp actually has a time chip on it that resets your hours automatically, so you don't have to do a manual reset like other machines. My Projector Lamps is your primary source for all your projector lamp needs. So when your light goes out, give us a call. Thank you for watching.